All right, guys. Hey, this is Mark, and just want to do a real quick video to show you how to take over our website. So just give you a quick tutorial for our Clover site. And once you've logged into our Clover site, you can see that you can see the site that I'm on right now. And this is basically your dashboard home. And at your dashboard home, you can see really all the information that you need to for our site. You can see how many hits we get a day during a month. It kind of tracks it right here in this area. So in the last 30 days, we've got over 1,000 hits, which is great. 7 days, 226 hits, and today we've got 10 hits already. And so you can do several things here that you do need to know about at the home of your dashboard. You can see that right here at site settings. If you click on site settings, you can take over several things. Just things. A lot of this stuff you're not going to need to worry about. Design settings, the date, format, search engine settings we've already taken care of. Google Analytics we've already taken care of for you. That's been taken care of. Really, what you'll need to notice, the last part is social links. You guys know we are really big into social media at Summit, and so anytime something new opens up or something changes on the social media front, we want to be at the forefront of it. And so what Clover gives you the option of doing is right on our home page. We'll look at it in just a second. You can see they've given you a little preview right here, and those are all links that when somebody scrolls over those, they open up and you click on it and it takes you to that various option for our social media. And so we are waiting for them to make a Pinterest icon. But once they do that, you just click on add a new link and click on whichever social media it is. There's nothing there for Pinterest or anything else that we do. So right now all of our major ones are already selected. Type in whatever our URL or address is, whatever you want that to say, and then select the icon. But we don't have anything else new, so I'm going to click the X and get rid of that. Alright, this is your account, and nothing there needs to change unless you for some reason want to hack our website and make it your own, and then we'll kick you out of our church. I'm just kidding. So really everything you'll need to know about, that's really it there, is just the social media settings. Oh yeah, the Help Center. Anytime you do our website, you have a question, this is where you want to go because Clover does update this, and it's actually really helpful, easy to understand. Click on Edit Your Site, and that's where all the action goes down. So it's going to take you in there, and once you're in there, this is our website will pop up, and once it pops up, you'll see that it'll be our website with all kinds of little, with various boxes that are on the screen. And the great thing about Clover is just how versatile it is. You can really do anything you want to our website. It is designed so that it looks professional, but anybody at all can use it. So if I want to change the name from our first screen to home to Bacon, I can change it to Bacon. And right now nobody will see that we've just changed the first page of our website to Bacon because I have to hit publish before I make any changes permanent. So obviously we don't want people to think our first page is Bacon because that'll just add to the cult rumors. And so we just want it to say home. And so, but anything you want to change is right here. Really the main thing that you'll change on this very first home screen is this rotating banner. And the way you click on the way you change that, just click on it. Click on it, and then once what'll pop up is all of your various options for the slides. And so, and then all of the pictures that we put on a slide. Jessica Bear makes all of our slides, and so we contact her. We try to get her pretty far in advance so that she knows what's coming up. But really, you can add as many slides as you want to, just by clicking Add New Slide, and then to take one away, you just click the X, and then you can move these around if you want to. I can move all of these around, and then I can just scoot them just right back to where they were. And so we usually try to keep about 4 or 5 of these up here, and really the one that changes constantly is our sermon series banner. That one needs to change as soon as the sermon series ends. Any banner that we have, you can see link options. Click on link options, and right now since this is linked, we can change the link or remove it. So let's just click on change the link just so you can see this. This will pop up all the time when you first click on link the site. This box will pop up, and you can just choose. You can link to another site that's not on our website. You can link to an email address, or you can link to a page on our site. When you click on that, all the pages for our site open up. You just click the page that you want to link it to, and all of a sudden it's linked. And once you make that change, you always want to come down here and click Finished. It's whited out right now because I haven't made any changes. I'm going to cancel changes because I'm not changing anything. And so there's that page right there. That's pretty simple. Click Finished when you're done. Finished. And then really what you can do is you can just go to any page that you want to. So let's just go to a page and let's just start goofing off on it. We'll go to New here. Those options will pop up. And this is just, let's just say our times and locations page. Anytime you go to a page, you can notice that I can move these boxes around. I can put them wherever I want to, that sort of thing. When you go to a page, all of our pages tend to look the same, just to kind of give it a good flow. So you can see there's a picture up here. And to change the picture, you just click on it. All the pictures from the bottom will pop up. And the thing about that picture there, the thing about those pictures is it'll be larger than that box. And so you just need to kind of crop it and keep resizing it until it fits that box. And you can see we've got a lot of pictures here. I mean, stuff that we've done forever ago is still on there. Whatever you want to call the page, if you want to change it, you've already seen that we can do that. Whatever you want to type in here, you just click on the box. There's your cursor right there, and you can just begin to type. You can just begin to type whatever you want to type, and blah blah blah. So you get this, and once you've typed whatever you want to type, you see this little row right here. You can change the size of your fonts right there. You can make it bold. You can underline it. You can italicize it. You can give it points if you want to. We don't like anything I just did, so we will delete it. And really, any site that you're going to use that has content in it that you type works that way. It's extremely simple and straightforward. You can see that, and really to change a site, all you've got to do is click on that site. So I want to change our core values, which our core values, that's needed to change for a long time. You just type in whatever you need to change. Anything you want to do with that, you can just click on that page and it will change. So let's click on, let's do something here. Let's do add a page. When you add a page, you can, this pops up. This is all of our website right here just in a row. Type a name for your page, and so you can type a name for your page that says bacon. And so once you type in the name of your page, you can pick which type of page it's going to be. Most of our pages are text pages. And you just saw the text page, it just means you type text. But then also there's some other pages right here, and really the main thing that you'll click on is this. You'll click on text page. You will never have to worry about donation page, because that's we take care of that on some other ends, and that's just set up and ready to go. You'll never have to worry about that. And list form is the second kind of site that we use the most. So if we have life group signups, baptism, baby dedication, that's the form that you click on. And but you just click on text page. So we've made a bacon page, and then all of a sudden you've got all of these different options. We usually pick this one again just so that they'll all look streamlined the same. Create your page, and then what happens is bacon pops up. You can put it wherever you want to. You can put it with media. You can put it with ministries or whatever. So we're going to put it with media. So we've got a bacon media page, and what we'll do is we'll click finished. It's saving what we've done, and click on media now, and there is bacon. And so you click on bacon, and what you can do, you can add a picture up here if you want to. You can add a picture up here if you want to, and there's that. Then you just type in text that says I love bacon. And so once you're done with that, you can publish it, but we're not going to publish it because obviously we don't have a bacon media at our church. And so, so that's the way that page works. Once you want to remove a page, you just click remove a page there and pick the page you want. There's the trash can. Grab the page, drag it into the trash can, and click finished. That page is gone. All right. Let's do another page. Let's do the second kind of page that we have, and let's do baby dedication. We have a baby dedication service coming up soon for our I Love Our Church series. So we'll click form and just that right there, and so we'll put it in ministries, and again finished. And this is our baby. Well, you have to actually go click it. Yeah, see, I'm wrong. So click on Ministries, click Baby Dedication, and then down here at the bottom, Edit Form, View Form. And so click on Edit the Form, and all kinds of different forms pop up, or you can customize your own form. The easiest thing to do is event registration. So event registration, and you just customize this. So put in that this is for our baby dedication service. And you can just leave that alone, and then whatever kind of information that we need, that's what you can put on here. And it usually starts with first name, last name, their contact information, and all of that there. But then you can see that we can add several other different things, and so we can add a multiple choice question, checkbox, radio button. Any of those that you pick, you can customize the options. So let's say that we pick a multiple choice, and again, this is the great thing about Clover. You can just pick it and put it wherever you want to do it. That's a question we always put for our baptism form. What's the best way to reach you, email or phone? And so you can always add other items. But what we'll do here is we'll grab check box and we'll put it underneath this line. And so we can just ask a question that we want to know, and so we can put does your baby like bacon? Because all babies do. And then we can just add another option, and so I can change my options to yes. I can change this one to obviously no. And then you can add as many options as you want to. Okay, once you're done, all you got to do is click on there, and there's everything that you've clicked. And you can just play with that, continue to customize it. And if you've messed up, you can clear your form and start over, delete it all. Once you're finished with it, click Finished. It'll save it and put it on your site. You're good to go. We're just going to cancel it because obviously we're not going to set that up. And also we're going to remove that baby dedication page for right now. And so next thing you'll need to know about is our calendar. And our calendar is basically extremely easy to use. Just click on Calendar, Edit Calendar, and any event that you want to put in there, you can put in to this calendar. And so I'll actually put an event. Our next Discover Summit is October the 28th. So I just selected October 28th, type in Discover Summit, and give the time for it, which will be, say, 12:30. The location is the forum because we will do that directly after our service. Contact person, I'm going to put Dana, our secretary, volunteer coordinator, Dana Hall, and fill that out later. And then you can just give a description of it. You know, Discover Summit, and that's our partnership event, so become a partner. And we're going to provide lunch at that event, so we can just put lunch is provided. And so add an event. That event is added. There it is. That second dot indicates that event. And so all you need to do is click that, and you can even add a map. So you can go to Google Maps or MapQuest and create a map so that people can have driving directions rather to the forum. Click on that and it'll do that. Update, delete, all of that. Once you're done with it, just click Finished. And it'll save that. That is on the calendar. And that's really, to be honest, how our website works. Media is another animal all to itself. Media is pretty easy, but we need to begin to get whoever runs the website the sermon for Sunday. That is far too large of a file to email, but we can work on that. But really, all that you need to do once you begin to add audio to the site is just click on Add Audio. You will click Upload it from a computer, and whatever your computer looks like will pop up. Since this is a Mac, what will happen, I actually have an iPod plugged in here right now, but we would just click on the USB drive that the sermons are on, select the sermon. Once you double click anything at all, once you double click the media you want to add, it will begin to upload it. And depending on your connection speed, it can go really fast or really slow. Once it's done processing, you can change your thumbnail. And really, to change the thumbnail, all we do is put the series that sermon is from. And so you can just drag that up there and paste it. And so we're done there. And we don't want to add a new thumbnail, so we're just going to cancel and go back. And then obviously type in the information about that sermon. Type in the title, who preached that sermon, info, a quick description about that sermon, and always remember to go right here and put the date. If you don't put the date for the sermon, it will put it at the very bottom of the list, so they're not in order. So always make sure you do that. When you're done, always click Finished. Everything you do on a page, make sure you click Finished. We didn't do anything there, so we'll click Cancel. Same thing works for if you put new pictures on our website. If you put pictures on our website, edit the photo page. You can add photos, you can create folders, you can add a new photo album, and it's all extremely easy to do. Once you're done with everything, simply click Publish. When you click that area right there, it publishes the site so that whoever comes to the site can see the changes you've made. So it asks you twice, are you ready? If you're ready, click Publish the changes, success. So now we've actually updated our website. Really the only thing we updated, we added Discover Summit to the calendar. That's really our website in a nutshell. It's extremely easy to use. If you've got any questions about it, you can ask me. You can email me, markholmes1978@gmail.com, or hook up with me at Facebook, that sort of thing. But it's extremely easy. It's extremely easy, and I just want to thank you so much for stepping up. Our internet, social media, you guys know, just plays a big part in our church, and so we are really thankful that you stepped up to volunteer and to serve in God's church and to impact lives. Thanks a lot.